Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, you're going to see how to install Power BI Desktop and which is the best place to download Power BI Desktop from, and how to use Power BI Cloud for 2 months in the trial version using your Gmail account. So let's jump into the video. Go to google.com and search for Office 365. In Office 365, go and look for product and maybe one of this option for I'll go with this. So you get try free for 1 month and pick this option and just give next and say give your email ID, click on next, and since this is your email ID is new and it will ask you to set up the account, so give your information and make sure you're giving the right number, and pick the company details as you want. Give any option, give any job title, IT consultant, and click on next. So you will get a verification number on your mobile. So give that verification number and say verify. So give whatever company you are working as a domain. So basically it's going to create a domain inside Microsoft and give the password. Make sure the password is having one cap letter and some numbers and some alphabets and some symbols, and give next. So at this moment you can wait not to pay, and you can pay if you want to buy Microsoft 365 trial. So now I have my account is created, so now I'm just uh, going to go for Power BI Cloud. So search for Power BI app and log in with this app. Since you have uh, created this account, it has just came into your browser and you have started using it. So now just say continue and give your number again. Um, Here you can give any number now and just say get started. Now your Power BI cloud account has been created. Allow few minutes to connect it. There you go. Your account has been created, and your account has been created with the trial details. You have free trial, request 60 days trial, try free fabric. So at this moment, if you like it, now you can go and pay it and you can use it. At this moment, just click on free trial and you have 60 days free use of Power BI. Just say activated and stay on current page. That's fine for me. Now to check your account details, just go to this place and you can get your details. So now your Power BI account has been created, and you can use this workspace as you want. Um, so if you want to log in with Power BI Desktop, if you don't have the Power BI Desktop, since I already installed it in my laptop, it's showing up. If you don't have Power BI Desktop, just go to um, from Microsoft stores. You can go from here and you can look for Power BI Desktop, and you can install it from here. But personally, there is another way. I simply go and do it. Just go back to the google.com and search for Power BI Desktop, download, and go for this link. One of these links is just going to take you to the same place, and click on download and download this file, which is for 554 MB. Um, I personally suggest you to go here instead of going to Microsoft Store. I found some functionality which is not working in this version of it, and I can tell you more about it in upcoming session. What is the difference I found from the desktop, what we have here, and what we downloaded. So let's let this one get download. Go for Power BI Desktop and just install this one. Say yes. Select the language you want to use and click on next. Click on next and accept it, and just install the Power BI Desktop in your desktop. Once your Power BI Desktop is installed, it's going to launch the desktop. Allow it for a few minutes. There you go. You have your brand new Power BI installed in your machine. Um, just click on blank report. First of all, if you want to log in, just go to the sign in page. You can choose the way you want. Just going to say doc, and here now you give your email ID which you just created and say continue. Give back the same email ID and give the password you created. Sign in this app only. There you go. So your user has been created inside this machine, and you have your Microsoft Power BI account. You just go back to app.powerbi, and there you go. You got everything you want to work on Power BI for 59 days. And after the trial expire, I will show you another video how to expand this size. And there you go. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.